Hello everyone, today I am showing you how to make super crispy and tasty Rava Kobari fried modak using wheat flour and maida. First, let's prepare the stuffing. Heat an eddy spoon open. Add cashews and raisins, fry lightly. Now add grated fresh coconut and roast for 2 minutes. Add roasted rava and mix well. Then add sugar or jaggery and cook until slightly sticky. Finally, add cardamom powder and switch off the flame. Let the mixture cool completely. Now let's prepare the dough. In a bowl, add half cup wheat flour, half cup maida, 2 tablespoons rava and a pinch of salt. Add 2 tablespoons shot oil and mix well. Now add water slowly and knead into a smooth and slightly stiff dough. Cover and rest for 15 to 20 minutes. After resting, take a small dough ball and roll it like a small puri. Place a spoon of stuffing in the center. Fold the edges carefully and shape into modak. Seal properly so the stuffing does not come out while frying. Heat oil on medium flame. Fry the modaks in low to medium flame until golden brown and crispy. Remove and drain on tissue paper. That's it. Crispy outside and sweet coconut rava stuffing inside, perfect for festivals, pooja, or evening tea time snack. If you like this recipe, please like, share and subscribe.